Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 12 canvas primed with Mead Black Gloss paint, and I am planning on doing weird things. I'm going to puddle a few colors on top of each other. Dazzling White from Decoart. Some Decoart 24 karat gold. Some Colourarte yellow orange I call tangerine, which is probably something like Tuscan sun, and I don't know, it's a bunch of different things. This is Rhapsody rose. This is the primary element from Colourarte. This is Vibrant Aqua, also Colourarte Color, purely pigment. I think I'm going to bring some water lily in. I'm making it up as I go along again. Oh, my pink carnation is closed. I'm going to have to pick something else. Maybe some saffron. I think I might need some orange still. I thought I was going to limit my palette, but when I didn't get the pink carnation, I sort of changed my mind. This is Periwinkle. And I keep being called to tickled pink. And I may add more colors and swipe again, but this is where I'm going to start. I think. I did not add any Dancing Fuchsia, and that was because I was going to use some Dancing Fuchsia in my cell activator, but I think I'm going to do it anyway. Dancing Fuchsia. That looks like I did use some. How short-term memory have I got left? Alright, so now I've got my funky tool. I think I'm going to turn this canvas a couple ways so I can start closer to myself. And I'm going to use a bunch of different colors. I'm going to be going from this outside edge. I strongly suspect... Hey, you got to be in there. Oh, that's embarrassing. It closed right up on me. So I'll just keep going till I get a whole bunch. That was not part of the plan. Okay, that'll be interesting. That's a skewer. This is the Dancing Fuchsia that wasn't open. I was evidently not prepared. I want to use all these colors together. That's the Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier. And I'm going to grab a silicone brush. Clean off all the extra paint. Or so I thought. You know what I didn't use? I didn't use any Fandango, and I can see it right there out of my peripheral vision. And I think Fandango is coming right up. What am I going to use it with? More gold can't hurt, right? Can't believe I forgot the Fandango. And with Fandango, I often like turquoise, so maybe grabbing the Mystique or the, yeah, I'm gonna, well no, I'm almost out. Let's see how much is left, I guess. That's a primary element. I'm gonna use my studio sponge and open the white again. I've got some yellow. It's tempting to use it. I like the idea of the dancing fuchsia with this gold. I wasn't getting any cells down there anyway. I think what I'm going to do is use some black cell activator. I'm getting cells now. I want to tip just briefly. I want to use some gold to tip. I may tip back again as well. Alright, I'm hearing the call to some more periwinkle. Don't ask me why. And I want some blue in here now. And this is Egyptian blue, which I need to give a bit of a shake to. Yeah, I think I like that. I've got little acetate tools and I'm not allergic to using them, so I'm probably going to use one of those. Maybe even right now. More white. I haven't ever used a lot of white cell activator, but I love the way it makes cells. And my little acetate tools make wonderful marks and trails. Kind of feeling like leading something. I need to find a skewer with a good paintball on the end. When I first started doing this, I did a lot of tendrils. Quite a few spirals as well. And the nice thing about tendrils is then you can add dots if you want. So let's go back to work here. I like the white, but I want some black. I think I'm going to combine it with the cobalt turquoise. And even if it disappears, at least I'll know. Sans cat hair. You know what I never used? I never used any orange crush, and I want some. Fortunately, it's not too late. just leave that there in case I want more. And I have beautiful paint on my tool, so I'm going to use it. Because scraping it off on something and throwing it away is just against my personal ability to do that. That is what I deserve. And drip. Okay. I've got one area left. And I have orange cell activator, Pebeo, and I think I want to use it. I'm thinking with the white. And that way I don't need to use any more Dancing Fuchsia. I might want to anyway. Yeah, no. I'm going to go with the turquoise. I love the black. The black turned out beautiful. Well, that's kind of fun. I think this area up here needs something else. Something else is on my silicone brush, which I have no regrets buying at all. I wish they sold a 5-pack of the little ones though. So I've got this area down here, right here, that I'm thinking wants some Dancing Fuchsia. I thought about white. I thought about black. I want more. Whatever it is, I'm going to get. I've got stuff dripping over my edge and I can't pick it up fast enough. Got a few dots. Got some negative space. Pretty sure I'm mostly done. Although I have color on my tool and that's always an invitation for me. Now, anything else I might want? Be a little bit of orange and gold. That's cool. I'm happy. If I need something else, I'm going to do it right now. And I do love how the Dancing Fuchsia cell activator works. Beautiful cells. Now, I promised myself I would give myself the opportunity to spiral something. And I see this is just asking for it. I don't know if that one's going to work out or not. But it did give me some color to add somewhere else, and that's okay with me. This one looks like it faded away. And I like my little spot. Maybe I'll twist out and add a little spiral there. And enhance the one I put in that's almost disappeared. Alright, that was a ball. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, I love that. That's fun. That might make a really nice mirror image design too. Multicolored cell activator swipes are my new favorite thing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.